Hello, my name is Gyan Gising. I born and raised in Bhutan, and I've been living in Erie, and I'm the owner of My Way Bar and Grill. I made momo, the dumpling, steamed momo. That is, we steam and we prepare it. The dumpling is famous in the South Asian, including Bhutan, Nepal, India. Momo is the best thing that I can tell to reflect my country, because we have a beef momo, pork momo, even a veggie momo. Momo comes in different preference. And secondly, I made Cho Mein, which is a fried noodles. I made the chicken Cho Mein. People kind of love this. And then even the restaurant owner, they love our Cho Mein. They try their own Cho Mein, they do have, but the best part is our spice. We bring from international spice here, so the Cho Mein is the signature food we have. And thirdly, I made samosa. That is made out of bean, mashed potato, and cilantro, onion sided. My traditional food would be something that adds up the new dish to the community of Erie. So that's why I thought to open some place for the Bhutanese people to go, and then the new food to taste for the people who are already here. So I thought of opening this place.